What's up everybody? In today's video I'm going to show you how to install this Alva Windows Auto Up module on this Mini Cooper. Now this will easily install plug and play on the Mini Coopers R50, R52 and R53s. It's really easy. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to install it. Okay, to install the module, all we're going to do is we're going to have to connect it behind this right here, these switches. To get to this, we're going to have to drop down. We're going to get to, there's two 20mm Torx bolts. So what you gotta do is you gotta drop down this panel. It just comes down and unbolt these Torx. Okay, and then there's gonna be two more on the other side. And we want to open up the glove box. And there should be one more right here, but it's missing one, so just know it's gonna be the same exact one. So once you have the screws out, we're gonna have to lift this up. Now you could use your fingers, and there's two metal clips that retain it in, so you can use your fingers to lift it up, or you can use a tool like this to get a little bit more leverage to pop it up. You don't have to remove it all the way. You have just enough clearance just to lift it up, because we got to remove these panels right here. Now to remove these, you just lift it up and they slide out. So you push it forward and then lift it up. So once you have those out, you're going to unbolt these two Torx bolts. There's one on each side. One right here and one right here. And it just comes off. Now to remove this, there's a little button that holds this little lever in place, which locks it in place. You just want to hold it down and then move the lever forward and it just pops right out. And so you want to get the module, and then when you install it, you want to make sure you line these up with this, and it's only going to go one direction. It has to be this direction like this. So if you're looking at the switches, the long ways goes this way. You don't want to install it that way. Just make sure you line it up carefully with the pins. You can see some pins in there. So you want to do is you want to make sure you line it up and it goes inside, and you want to get the harness that you just disconnected, and then you want to make sure that the wire loom is facing the long ways. It will say right here loom direction, and you'll see an arrow pointing this way, so make sure that the wire loom is facing this way when you install it. And so what you want to do is just want to, same way, carefully make sure you align the pins, and it just goes in. You don't have to worry about locking it in place. It's on there really good. It's not going to come off. Now there's a little bracket here, and then there is enough clearance, but you just gotta put in, like, the easiest way is you line up these little hooks that go into these little squares here, and you kind of line them up, and you kind of go at an angle going upwards like this. To allow you to clear that bracket and lets it line up, and that's all it is to install it. And all you have to do is just put everything back together. It's 100% plug and play. You don't have to spice any wires or cut anything. And same way, you put it from the bottom here down first, and then these panels should go right into place. that's it. That's all it took to install the module. Now it's ready to program it on how you want it, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to do that. Alright, now that you have the module installed, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys some of the cool features about it. Now, of course, the most popular one is the one-touch windows down. Press it once down, and the windows will automatically go down. Press it up once, and the windows automatically go up. Another cool feature is that you can also do both sides. So what you got to do is you have to hold it down twice. Press it down twice. And now both windows automatically go down. And of course, same opposite. Press it up twice. Both windows will go automatically up. And the other side works individually too, the passenger side. If you want to just automatically go down and then automatically go up just by pressing the button. Another cool feature this unit module has is you can program it so that when you turn on your car, it automatically disables traction control, so that you don't have to worry about every time you start your car you have to disable it. It can automatically do it. Of course, you can program it so it doesn't do that. That's just a cool feature. Another cool feature is you can program the fog light so that every time you turn on your lights, your fog lights will automatically turn on as well. So it's a cool feature because if you like driving with your fog lights on as well at the same time as your lights, it would automatically turn them on for you. And of course, it's all programmable. I'm not going to show you the steps on programming everything. I'm going to link below another video that shows you in details how to program the module. I just want to go over a few of the features now that we have it installed. And one of the most popular things is just obviously the windows up and down. I'm going to put a link below where you can purchase this module. Any questions, comment below. Thanks a lot for watching.